Make a plane. This will be our road. Make a new material with an image texture. Use a road. Hit U, unwrap, and line it up so it looks nice in the UV editor. UVs are your friend. Now model the rest of the freeway overpass. This should be easy because it's just rectangles, but don't forget your edge loops. Select all your new geometry and apply a new material. Use some sort of cement image. Unwrap it using a cube projection. It works good in this case. Make a curve. Make it curvier. Use an array modifier to extend out your overpass geometry, and a curve modifier targeting the curve. Bam! You can use those same modifiers on anything and it'll follow the road. You just might have to tweak the position a bit. Streetlights? Yeah! Mirror. Extrude. Triangulate. Wireframe modifier. A plane with edge loops is a ladder. It's a thing. Get a car model. You can model it yourself, but my guess is somebody else beat you to it. Parent the car to the path using follow path. Duplicate the car and change it up a bit. Whoa! Now just animate them weaving from side to side and you've got yourself a little car chase.